a lot of people talking about ChatGPT, and there was this one person who actually convinced me to give it a try. So take a wild guess and tell me what you think I use ChatGPT for. Of course, to learn languages. Honestly, finding new ways to learn languages is one of my favorite things to do, and it's really crazy because you can get so creative. Almost anything can become a language learning tool if you just know how to do it. So let us talk about how you can use ChatGPT to actually help you in your language learning journey. One of the first things that you can do is literally just to ask it how to use ChatGPT to learn languages, and it will literally just give you a list. And from that, you can choose the things that would work best for you. One of the things that I like to do the most is to practice my writing. So I would ask it to ask me questions and I would try to respond to them in my target languages. So I would probably say, donne-moi une question en français s'il vous plaît, or dame una pregunta en español por favor. And then I would try to respond to those in those languages that I am practicing. But the thing I love most about using ChatGPT to help me with learning languages is how specific it gets with its explanation. There are times when I don't understand something because languages have a lot of nuances, right? So when there is something that I've seen that I don't understand, I will put it in ChatGPT to ask for an explanation, and it usually is really clear with how it explains things. For example, I stumbled upon this phrase "ne t'en veux pas" in French that literally makes absolutely no sense when translated literally. So I just put that in ChatGPT to get an explanation of it. And I love the way how it breaks it down and explains each part of the phrase. Another example is when I saw "te encuentras bien" in Spanish, which is something I didn't understand as well, because as far as I'm concerned, encontrar is to find in Spanish. So why would that mean you're doing well, or asking the question of you're doing well? So I put that in ChatGPT to get an answer, and yes, it explained it in a way that I understand. And I also love the fact that I can ask for follow-up questions. So if there was a case there was something that was unclear, I'll just ask another question pertaining to that, and I wouldn't have to go into too much details because it basically remembers what you asked it before, so it will know that you're asking it based on that question. Also, bear in mind or take note that there are times when I've asked a question and the example literally makes no sense because it's incorrect. But I would also just follow up that with another question and explain that I don't understand because it doesn't make any sense, and it would apologize and then tell me what the correct answer is. A little weird, but very useful. Follow for more language learning tips.